Welcome to MenuTiger POS. In this video, we'll learn how to create and manage products. Products are the foundation of your menu, allowing you to organize dishes, set prices, manage inventory, and customize customer ordering options. To begin, select products from the left navigation menu. Here you'll find all of your existing menu items, categories, pricing, and management tools. To create a new product, click Add Product in the upper right corner. Start by entering the product name. If your restaurant sells items with changing prices, such as market price seafood or custom weight products, enable variable price. Otherwise, leave this option disabled and enter a fixed selling price. You can also record the product cost for profit reporting. Next, optionally assign a SKU for inventory management and enter or scan a barcode. This allows cashiers to quickly add products during checkout using a barcode scanner. Every product should belong to a category. Categories make products easier to organize and help staff quickly locate items during checkout. If a category doesn't exist yet, create it before adding the product. Variants let you sell the same product in multiple sizes or options. Instead of creating separate products, you can simply add variants such as small, medium, and large. Modifier groups provide customers with additional choices. These can include toppings, sauces, cooking preferences, or add-ons. You can assign multiple modifier groups to a single product. Add a short description to help identify the product. You can also paste an image URL to display product images throughout MenuTiger POS and connected ordering channels. Turn on Available for Sale to make the product visible during checkout. If the product has limited stock, enable Track Inventory. MenuTiger will automatically reduce stock after every completed sale. Review the information you've entered and click Save. Your product now appears in the products list and is immediately available for checkout if product availability has been enabled. Here are a few best practices. Use clear and consistent product names. Assign every product to a category. Use variants instead of duplicate products. Add high-quality product images. Enable inventory tracking for stock-controlled items. And always use unique SKUs and barcodes for efficient inventory management. That's it! You've successfully created your first product in MenuTiger POS. Continue exploring our user guide to learn how to create modifier groups, manage inventory, add staff, and configure your restaurant for day-to-day operations. In case you have any doubts or questions, then feel free to connect with us over chat or email and share this video.